Hi, and thank you, Alan. Yes, it was a very good Zoom meeting and very, very much inspirational. I just wanted to make a short video because I'm very, um, wow, there's a lot of great comments, and it was such a great talk that we had about this subject. And I've been thinking about it too, and how my life has changed the last couple of months, and what I've done differently. And the thing is, I've been meditating a lot more. And by meditating, I'm actually tuning in to what my tummy brain is telling me. I'm tuning in a lot more to the frequency of and the vibrance and or the. Yeah, I'm just going to post this. You that knows me know that I'm keeping it simple and I'm keeping it real, and nothing is always perfect. So this is me being real and nice and proud. But yeah, my success until now has been guided of my tummy brain. So, Alan, thank you. And thank you, all of you, for leaving those wonderful comments. Looking forward to your next post, Alan, and looking forward to our next Zoom meeting. Bye, all, and have a great day, evening, or morning. Bye.